10 Mental Health Challenges Single Moms Face. Hello ladies, welcome to Single Moms Make Money. This is the place where you will gain knowledge on how to make money and provide information to help single mothers be successful. For regular updates, please hit the little cute button and tap the bell icon for future videos. Imagine you had 2 children unexpectedly alone, made around $26,000 a year, saw your friends fading away, and felt condemned for your parenthood all the time, no matter how well you were doing this. Welcome to a typical single mother's life. I am amazed at the strength and endurance of the individual moms who are currently parenting 23 million children alone in the United States, as the founder of esme.com. Women take different routes to the single mothership, but it is a physical and emotional task for parents alone. For certain mothers, their mental health can be affected. Single moms rise to the occasion for their children every hour of every day, and they do an incredible job. Unfortunately, many single mothers dislike asking for help and often do not believe they require it. Stressors can build up for some single moms, leading to a mental health crisis. Some of the ladies who visit our site suffer from depression, anxiety disorders, and post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD. They may use alcohol or drugs to self-medicate. My objective is to motivate single parents to get help if they are struggling, and for all of us to become solo mom allies by recognizing the 8 most frequent mental health concerns they face. 1. Deprivation of sleep is one of the most common causes of illness. Single mothers, unsurprisingly, do not get enough sleep. Why? Because they can accomplish so much while their children are sleeping. Laundry, housekeeping, night shifts, studying, and other obligations can make it difficult for a single mom to get a full night's sleep. Sleep deprivation is a shaky basis for dealing with other problems. 2. Place a priority on the mental wellness of the entire family. Keep an eye out for indicators of mental disease in children, as studies have shown that children who have a parent with a major mental illness are more likely to develop mental illness themselves. According to one study, 30 to 50% of children with a mentally sick parent go on to have a mental disorder, compared to 20% of children in the general community. 3. Insufficient self-care. Single mothers are too preoccupied with their children to devote adequate time to self-care and regeneration. For most single moms, spa days are a pipe dream, and finding time to exercise can seem unattainable. Self-care helps women cope with the hardships of single parenthood, but most single moms put it last on their list of priorities. 4. Fear about money. Single parents are typically financially exposed as a result of divorce or the death of a partner. Even when they work full-time, minimum wage leaves many single mothers below the poverty line. For many single mother families across the United States, homeless shelters are their last resort. Poverty and economic stress are, unsurprisingly, linked to anxiety and depression. 5. Ongoing conflict with a spouse or significant other. It's difficult enough, but ongoing conflict with a child's other parent can have a negative impact on a single mom's mental health. Bullying, manipulation, withholding child support, and disagreement are just a few of the problems moms talk about. 6. Ineffective support networks. When a woman becomes a single mom, whether by choice or by circumstance, her friends frequently abandon her when she most needs them. Friends may take sides, feel uneasy, or be unable to empathize with the new reality of a single mom. Feelings of alienation and hopelessness arise when people are cut off from their communities. 7. A special needs child or children. Parents of special needs children are more likely to divorce than the general population. Because mothers are overwhelmingly granted custody, they are responsible for the majority of these children's care. We are constantly surprised by the unselfish dedication of these single parents who go above and above to help their child or children with special needs reach their full potential in our special needs communities on esme.com and Facebook. These mothers are also more inclined to put their children's needs ahead of their own. 8. Domestic violence history. Domestic violence and abuse have reached unacceptably high proportions in our culture. Many of the mothers who come to ESME for help have fled violent situations. Even if they made the courageous decision to flee, the psychological trauma remains and is readily triggered. Too many single mothers are burdened by pain, which manifests itself in PTSD, depression, and other mental health issues due to a lack of support and resources. 9. Judgment and stigma. Single motherhood is filled with stereotypes. These judgments can come from a child's teacher, another parent, or a co-worker at any time. Because the constant onslaught of negative assumptions about their parenting skills and moral integrity is discouraging and unfair, I aim to acknowledge and empower single moms. It's past time to recognize the value of single moms in the fabric of American society and to treat them as such. Here are 5 measures that single mothers facing any of these mental health issues can take to improve their feeling of well-being. 10. Dealing with the difficulties of being a single mother, you may take care of yourself and your mental health in a variety of ways. However, keep in mind that some things will work for you and others will not. If one coping approach isn't working, try another until you find one that does. Seek the help of a therapist if you need it. Self-care techniques such as meditation, writing, and other types of self-care can help. It's best to breathe deeply even if you just have 5 minutes to spare. Join a single moms group, meetup.com is a fantastic way to start looking. Solicit assistance from your friends and family. There's a reason the expression "it takes a village" is used to describe the process of raising children. Find your tribe, connect with single moms who share similar challenges, ask for help. Even strong, independent women need help every now and then. Network, build your support network of friends, acquaintances, and allies. Practice self-care. It doesn't have to be expensive or take a lot of time, but it's a necessity. Seek professional support. Counseling is literally a lifesaver when mental health is at stake. Given the stresses single moms encounter, combined with the overwhelming responsibility of raising children on one's own, it's clear they are modern-day superheroes. The next time you meet a single mom with fabulous children recognizes that there are millions like her. Better yet, become an ally and advocate by asking a single mom, "How can I help?" Ladies, if you feel like you have no one to turn to, please call the National Helpline. National Helpline number is 1-800-662-4357, also known as the Treatment Referral Routing Service, or TTY. 1-800-487-4889 is a confidential, free, 24-hour-a-day, 365-day-a-year information service, in English and Spanish, for individuals and family members facing mental and/or substance use disorders. This service provides referrals to local treatment facilities, support groups, and community-based organizations. Callers can also order free publications and other information. As always, ladies, we hope this video brings value to you. Please, ladies, share and like this video, so ladies like yourself can be successful. Toodles.